Superannuation is the most tax-effective vehicle in Australia, and for that reason there are caps on how much you can contribute into the super environment. There are several ways that you can contribute into super, and the methods of contribution are largely dependent on your age. Now, if you're still working, you'll be able to contribute via concessional or non-concessional contributions. Now, concessional contributions are quite simply contributions that are made where someone has claimed a tax deduction for it. So this includes both employer contributions, any salary sacrifice arrangements, or where you make an additional contribution from your after-tax pay and then claim a tax deduction for it. Now, the concessional contribution cap for the 2023 financial year is $27,500. Now, some members may actually have a higher concessional cap where you have a low super balance, because from the 1st of July 2018, you can make carry forward concessional super contributions if you have a total super balance of less than $500,000. So simply go to your MyGov account and check the Superannuation tab to see what your available concessional contribution cap is. Now, non-concessional contributions are those contributions where no one has claimed a tax deduction. So the cap on these type of contributions is $110,000 per annum, with the ability to bring forward an additional 2 years worth of contributions and make a once-off contribution of $330,000. However, there are conditions on making non-concessional contributions. So for a member turning 75, the contribution must be received by your fund no later than 28 days after the end of the month in which you turn 75. Second, all members, regardless of age, will need to have a total super balance, so across all your super funds, of less than 1.7 million to be eligible. Once you have 1.7 million across all super funds, you are unable to make non-concessional contributions at all. Another type of contribution is known as a spouse contribution. So it's possible to contribute super on behalf of your spouse and in turn receive a tax offset of up to $540 per annum. Under this arrangement, your spouse cannot have a total super balance of more than 1.7 million, nor can they have made any non-concessional contributions above their non-concessional contribution cap for the year in order to be eligible for the offset. Now, small business capital gains tax exemptions. So basically, individuals have a lifetime capital gains tax cap, which for the 2023 financial year is set at 1.65 million. Now, this cap allows a contribution to be made into the super environment, funded by the proceeds of certain small business assets. Now, this cap operates completely independent to the concessional and the non-concessional caps and can be accessed via either the 15-year exemption or the retirement exemption. The government co-contribution is an incentive that was introduced by the government in the 2003 financial year. It's designed to assist members who earn less than a prescribed amount to boost their retirement savings. Finally, the downsizer contribution was introduced in 2018. Now, typically members over the age of 75 cannot contribute into super, but from the 1st of July 2018, the government introduced the downsizer contribution, whereby a member can contribute up to $300,000 from the proceeds of the sale or the part sale of their home into their super fund. From the 1st of July 2022, the eligible age to make a downsizer contribution is 60 years or older, with no maximum age limit. So the good news is that contributions are not caught under concessional or non-concessional caps, and eligibility won't be impacted, even if you have over 1.7 million in the super environment. So there are many ways to build up your retirement nest egg, whether it be via the conventional contribution method or by taking advantage of the other contribution methods. But in all cases, it's important to assess your eligibility criteria. Contribution strategies can be complex, and we recommend you seek specialist advice in relation to your super. I'm Olivia Long for the Direct SMSF service.